Have you ever worn a smartwatch and thought, man, I wish this thing would crawl across my body to my shoulder? Well, have I got the robots for you. Last week, engineers from MIT and Stanford demonstrated some new robots at the ACM User Interface Software and Technology Conference in Tokyo. They call the robots Rovables, and they say they can move freely on unmodified clothing. Yes, that's right. These robots can cling to your shirt and crawl around on you. They hold themselves in place with magnetic wheels. You wear one set of wheels under your shirt, and the robot snaps into place on the other side of the fabric. The Rovable can then amble across your torso at a leisurely pace. After watching video of the bots in action, I'd have to say they look equally cute and creepy. The magnetic wheels mean the robots can move vertically across surfaces. They can travel up and down arms. And the robots are untethered. All of their power, computation, and communication systems are self-contained. The engineers hope to build Rovables that have enough juice to power 30 minutes of movement or 8 hours of operation without movement. In the future, once the robot detects it is running low on power, it can navigate to a charging port. The engineers showed off robots with actuators capable of giving haptic feedback to a user, sort of like the way your phone vibrates when it gets a notification. Other robots snap together to create an LED name tag, demonstrating the modular capabilities of the Rovables. The engineers don't intend to market this generation of robots. Instead, the Rovables are a proof of concept. They illustrate what might be possible with wearable robots in the future. Imagine that you have dozens of tiny robots on your clothing. Each robot is about a square centimeter in size and weighs so little that you don't even notice them. The robots can move across clothing, navigating autonomously to different areas of the body for different applications. For example, your day could start with a jog around the neighborhood. Your robots would position themselves to monitor your activity, heart rate, and respiratory status. After your run, you settle down to a cup of coffee and the robots assemble on your wrist, forming a screen that displays today's top headlines. At work, robots tap you on the shoulder to alert you that an upcoming meeting is about to begin. We're not there yet. The engineers have identified challenges we must overcome to create practical Rovables. They include miniaturizing components, improving pathfinding and navigation capabilities, and extending battery life. But it could be our futures will involve being covered by tiny, helpful, supremely creepy robots. Yay? That's all for today. To learn more about robots, computer interfaces, creepy crawly things, and everything else, make sure you visit now.howstuffworks.com every day. And don't forget to subscribe to the How Stuff Works Now podcast to learn about the most amazing things going on in the world right now.